I think my generator ran out of gas.
Yeah, mine's
Okay, guys, it's all about the marine. It's all about the marine. It's just another qualifier for starting position, but it's all going to be in that range in the world.
plug over there?
Yeah, I got it, man.
Is there one more open spot?
Yeah.
My battery's starting to die.
No worries, it's all good.
That's in front of you. Once you see me running, that's using the power outlet, but it's all good. Now it's good.
On one point.
Competition, baby. You know, that's competition. How many workers? That'll be good. You got to warm all of a sudden. That should be better and better.
Yeah, I mean, I got those. I got clips in the front. The old S5. The one that he's selling up at 5.
Yeah, one of the guys that used to sell that was here in the first race, he runs those on the front of his car. He runs all the way around this way.
Does he?
Yeah. He fucking preps them with dressing and all kinds of shit.
Yeah. I just had way too much theory last round.
It's loose out there too, so.
Yeah, I mean, I had 2s in the rear, but it just, I don't like my car switching. I mean, if you could do it, it's probably faster.
Yeah, but you gotta be you tune it for your driving style, you know what I mean?
Yeah,
Yours all different. Everybody
I prefer
differently too.
I prefer a gentler handling car.
Like a boat?
Yeah.
Dude, I had my kid's buggy first took it out to NorCal and I had that Spectrum and so I'm like, yeah, it's alright. I'm driving the car, it's like so fucking slow. I was like, holy shit.
Spectrum?
Yeah, dude, one of these. I was like, that is the worst fucking thing ever.
Yeah.
So like racing, I was like, dude. For the 10 scale kid is just like way too slow.
Yeah, I might skip this round too. I don't know. Maybe push that close to my batteries to the main.
I want to just finish, man.
Yeah, I might just sit back and let. Even though I do want to run, I gotta drive an hour to get out here.
Yeah, you can practice.
Yeah.
Hopefully leave the track open so we're out going to your second lap.
I want to come out here and watch one of the big scale races.
Yeah. So the thing, those cars are $6 grand, $7 grand.
Yeah, the Mexico. Yeah, I mean, if I could sell my losi 5P, you know, and I knew the racing was regular enough, you know, I would probably sell that and then you know, swap it out for a fifth scale. I'm not gonna drop no fucking $3 grand for a base chassis with no rear differential or nothing. Yeah, I know. The coach sent on Facebook. Something about how his tires are getting so hot and he stops and gets broken.
So racing the Japanese, Australians, and shit. That's crazy shit, bro.
He goes all around.
There's a lot of us that choose a lot out.
Yeah.
I like the twos, man. Myself, I'm fucking like a half a second faster on twos, but the twos only last one race.
Yeah.
was done, like wiped out, done. The fours I've only I did practice and that I already had to put a new set of fours on. Here's the way I drive, I'm fucking using the front wheels to kind of spin me around.
I did notice though, the harder you push across the tires, the more consistent the car feels. I think when you let off, you get that snap over shit. That's probably my problem.
The back end comes out a little bit?
Yeah.
Always around this turn, when you come around that sweeper, when you go through that little fucking, as soon as they go left again, I always kick out. To the point I'm like,
Snap over shit.
yeah.
I didn't really have that with the 5 I don't know. Last time I was here, I was running faster than I ever ran. 17.2 is my quickest. I think you're running 69 now, huh?
No, that was the other guy. I ran 17.1 or something. And Julio ran 69 for a fast lap.
Not bad for a guy who doesn't practice.
Not bad at all. You're fast as shit already. You have the least amount of time on this track. We have way more time than you. You're doing fucking awesome.
Yeah, I mean, if I could just do it closer by, I mean, and I can make it out here all the time, I would be.
I know, man. Trust me. We're gonna start doing it summertime more practice.
Yeah.